as you kind of get to our intersection, I wanted to create a little bit of impact here in the radius. That's why we cut out the bed the way we did. Palm tree, palm tree. And so I've taken the Coontie Palms, a dwarf, tough, glossy green foliage, and kind of ran them in a circle behind me. So I think with time, that's going to make a nice impression when we come and go in these different directions. I want to bring you up close and install one of the Coontie Palms because I found something, even from the growers, that we need to be cautious of. Now, nurseries aren't perfect, just like other individuals, but installing a plant too deep, even from the grower's perspective, is not really good. Now, again, I don't know if you can see, but this is just too much soil covered up around these cones. They've got to breathe. It's almost like they just can't get the nutrients, and they need air circulation. Come on, baby. Nice and easy. Now, there's one indicator that I want to show you. If you've just got a soil line up here on the top, all that is excess soil. There's no roots that are penetrating in there. Here's where the root line starts, and that's where the soil line up top should be. So as I plant him, this is going to be my new desired height. There's that new soil line. A little mulch around him, he'll be fine. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep you up to date on all our future episodes. And check out our website for more information on landscape and gardening ideas, all provided to help make your lawn a designer's landscape.